So this is a new installation. We installed this recently. It looks really good. The installation looks neat. Very nice wiring right there. The piping, this strap right there. The gas piping straight. I like it. And we inspect this system a few days ago, and we didn't mention this. So today I'm here and I'm just gonna make it better. It doesn't take too long. Just gonna be right there. Not a biggie. 5 minutes of my time. Just to make it look much better and avoid a mess over here when this gets completely kinked. I just need a small piece of PVC and two 45s, and bam,